Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. This is Sayyid Mazhar from Islamabad, Pakistan. Friends, do you ever imagine that every day that passes, we are one step closer to our own deaths? We all know that one day we have to leave this world, but still we are afraid of death. Remember, this life is a journey. In the end, you keep nothing from this world. Your house, career, money, possessions, your family, even your children don't belong to you. We think that our spouse and children will be unable to withstand our loss. But the truth is, no one is going to die for you, my friend. They may be depressed for some time. Time heals everything, and life will go on for those who remain. You will have to leave your own body and flesh the day you take your last breath. All that remains are memories that stay in your soul for eternity. So live for the soul, not for the flesh. Thank you very much.